Hey you guys, I wanted to hop on here and give my quick review of these roof racks that we got from Vevor. I'm not sure how to say the name, but I absolutely love all their products. So if you have not got something from this company, then you're definitely missing out because they make phenomenal products. And this is just another one that we were lucky enough to get for free in exchange for our honest and unbiased review. So they're going on a Volkswagen Jetta. They did take a little bit of putting together. As you can see, that they did have quite a few parts, but some of the parts we don't use because you have to fit them to your certain vehicle. So whatever works best for your vehicle setup, like how the doors close on the brackets and things like that. But we did put the little bottoms on each of the bars, and then use these little plastic pieces to go over top to cover all the the hardware and things up. And so that part goes against your vehicle. We did line them up, and the crossbar for the back of the vehicle was a little bit too long. So even when we cinched it all the way up, it was a little bit too long. So we had to measure how much we needed to take off of the crossbar. So we took apart the pieces. Luckily, my dad is a great fabricator, so he knew exactly what to do. So we took the pieces out, we cut it down, and then it was good to go. So we did have to trim the boots that go over the metal piece that go against your car, which that's easy. You can use a box cutter or scissors. And then that boot piece that you trim based on how long you need it just slides right over that metal bracket. It's like a cinching thing. So you cinch it down to how short or long you need it, so it sits in the right spot on your vehicle. And then once you cinch it down, you just hook it underneath the metal that's underneath the rubber on your door, and then easy peasy. We had them up and on within less than an hour, even having to cut them down. They looked great. They're very secure. We can't wait to throw our kayak on top and be able to take it in the car. And another great feature is that they do lock. So it comes with 2 keys. And so you just put it in there and lock it and you're good to go. So all in all, great product. We would definitely recommend them.